Welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are replacing our coolant reservoir cap. So here's a new replacement cap. I ordered this on Amazon. It just came in. But I recently noticed the cap was cracked. Let me show you how I'm going to change it real quick. Pop up the hood. The emblem left hand side right here. So you have this lever. You pull this and then the hood will release. Do you see our reservoir cap? I see there's like residue on it. And look at this huge crack. So I'm gonna pull this tube off right now as well. Keep this elevated. If it's lower than the nozzle, it's going to leak out. Now twist this off. Use a towel and we're going to catch whatever trips. We grab our new cap, get it ready. Not sure why there's a little mark on there, but there's a brand new cap. Alright, so we just need to transfer over this hose. So you can just slide it right off. And then take this hose. Slide it on. And we can wipe that real quick too. Alright, we take this hose, put the hose on. And then you hold this straight like this, and then you rotate just the body, the cap. And this doesn't have to be airtight or anything. I just put it kind of hand tighten like that, no tools, because it's okay if it breathes a little. The air goes in and out. All right, so from here, what I do is I squeeze this hose. Try to bleed out the air that's in this hose right now. Once we start the engine, it should push out the air that's in here. But we're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions.